Here it is, the USB powered alarm clock. This was a project I put together this weekend just using parts I had on hand and things I could buy at Kmart. So I didn't have a real-time clock chip that I could use. I didn't want to order one and have to wait for it. So instead I'm using the timer interrupt functionality of the Atmega 328 chip. There's not an Arduino in there. I prototyped on an Arduino over there. But this is actually just a bare Atmega 328 chip that I put in there and wired up to use. And I do have the Arduino bootloader on there and the Arduino code. I'll link in the description. So it's got basic alarm clock functionality. I mean, you can set the time, you can set your alarm. You can set your alarm on and off. And set it to a minute from now. Oh, I just missed it. That's just fine. So I'll set it to 108. A little tiny speaker here, which is surprisingly loud. I use the tone Arduino function to play a little melody through there. It plays the fur release when the alarm goes off, which is cool. Snooze, standard stuff. Around back we have two knobs for the LCD, adjusting the LCD, the contrast, and the backlight, which are pretty easy to implement. It doesn't even go through the Arduino, it goes directly to the LCD. This is just a standard 16:2 character LCD. The kind with the dark background and the light letters rather than a bright background and the black letters. Works better at night when the lights are off, and this is the only light visible in the bedroom. And I kind of put electrical tape around the edges to kind of block out any backlight that leaks out, because there was quite a bit before. Here we go, time to wake up. It really is quite loud. So 5-minute snooze. Normal alarm clocks, it's 9 minutes, but I think 5 minutes is better. Whatever. I do what I want. You don't know me. So there it is. USB alarm clock. I'll link below some pictures of the insides. Not much to see, really. This is really just an Arduino with some buttons and a speaker and an LCD. I literally just Googled how to do these things. But I'll link them anyway, because it is kind of neat how it's all mounted on this little cardboard box. This is a box that used to have a bar soap in there. Irish Spring brand. I just covered it in electrical tape and used push pins and stuff to keep everything mounted properly, and it came out surprisingly well. I'm pretty happy with how this went. So, thanks for watching.